What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to resolve this issue in CapCut Online Video Upscaler. So I did make this video a while back, but some people even after trying this solution still had issues. So I decided to make an updated version to hopefully resolve this issue once and for all. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, consider supporting the channel by using some of the links in the description below. So let's get started. I will just quickly demonstrate what happens when you try to upload a video to an upscaler when you have all of your storage used. So I will upload this video, and as soon as I try it, this message pops up. So let's solve it. Close off this screen and go to this CapCut icon in the upper left corner. Here just press leave. Then this page will load. From here, go over to spaces and click on the space that you're currently using. Now if you look up here, you can see that I have almost all available space used up. So for the first method, we will try to delete some of these videos to free up the space for future upscaled videos. To do this, just click Show More and just mark the videos that you want to delete. Once you mark them, just click Move to Trash and confirm this. Now as you can see, I freed up about 2 GB of space right here. So now you can go back and try to upscale it again. But if you still can't upscale it, here is the second method. For this method, you would need to create a new space by going here. So just click Create a new space and name it whatever you want. Let's say Space 2. From here, click on Create Space. Now you have your default space and you have your space 2. So to make your space 2 the default one, just hover over this one and click this little icon right here. Now you can see how much space you have on each space. So here is 2 GB left and here is 5 GB left, so the full amount. Now I will just select the larger one and press Set. And as you can see, now your second space is set as the default space, and if you have the upscaler bookmarked like I do, this will be the default space that opens once you open up your bookmark and try to upscale a video. Now let's try it out. I opened up the upscaler and I will click Upload, select my video and open it up. So as you can see, the video is currently uploading and I didn't get that your storage has reached the full limit error message. So that's how you can resolve your space has reached the storage limit error in the CapCut Online Video Upscaler. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to further support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.